Hey everybody, welcome to the ranch. So a friend of mine over at Good Times Homestead with Jen and Steve, right here, Jen and Steve, have challenged people to make their own mayo. And you're gonna see it right here somewhere. It's gonna be like over here. Anyway, they've challenged people to make their own mayo. Now I've done it before with a mason jar, and I've also done it, and it's like 50% of the time it's successful, and 50% of the time it's pretty terrible. So come along while I watch Jen and try her mayo recipe to see if it works as good as it worked for her on her video she did. So if you want to make your own mayo, I encourage you to try this challenge. It's like make your own mayo challenge. I'll put a thing up right here somewhere, and then I will also, don't forget to check out her video. And yeah, I'd love to see some variations, and we're gonna see if this mayo was any good, because again, I'm like 50% of the time I can do this, and for the rest of the time it turns into like sheer water. So this is my first try, and I'm gonna just post it whether it's a go or whether it's not. So let's hope it works. I'm gonna do it just like she did. I'm actually gonna watch her while I'm doing it. All right, let's see. Okay, that actually worked. I am so excited. It actually worked. I have never made mayonnaise that easy. I have tried the cup, the mason jar method, where you put the egg in the bottom of the mason jar, you put your like thing right here over top of it, and then you like pour all the oil in and put all the ingredients in, and the honey mustard and all that stuff, and then you slowly like pull up, and then you like emulsify it that way. That's like only 50% of the time that will work, and it never gets this thick and creamy looking. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I did not use olive oil, but I did use grapeseed oil, which is the only oil I have besides vegetables. So I'm gonna try this with the kids. We're gonna use it in our tuna fish, and we're gonna get a taste test in a second. I am so excited. Thank you, Jen. I just made mayo the first try, and it didn't fail like immediately. So the next time I do it, I'm gonna make it with a duck egg, because we have a plethora of duck eggs, and Eric does duck eggs. So stay tuned. We're gonna do a taste test with our tuna fish in a minute. Yeah, it really is that easy to make homemade mayonnaise. Look, I hope you will go and take the challenge. You make some homemade mayonnaise. You can do it. I know you can. Don't go buy the stuff at the store. It's so much healthier when you know what's in it. Seriously, try it. You won't regret it. Unless you're like me and you can't do it all the time with all the other ways, but trust me, this way is great. Try Jen's way. I will put the description of like what I use to make it in the description box as well. So if you don't want to go watch her video, you can just look at mine. It's in fast forward. You know, I just wanted to make sure I did it And I'm really excited. So accept the challenge. Make yourself some mayo. You can do it. I know you can. And in the meantime, go check out Jen and Steve over at Good Times Homestead and watch some of their videos because they're awesome and they deserve all of your love. Thank you so much, Jen, for this challenge. Thank you for watching and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. We have a lot of things going on here, and we would love for you to be a part of our YouTube family. Yeah, so time to go finish some tuna fish sandwiches. See ya. I almost forgot. Hey, who likes making their own mayonnaise and having some really healthy options in the refrigerator for their kids? Farmers' wives do. See ya. That's for real now.